So what we are going to do in this country also, and I hope hopefully in Africa, is to create structures so that when you have a good idea, somebody else provides good management, and yet somebody provides business finance. So I want to ask GIZ and all the other partners, even the corporates, to really support our what we are calling Kenya Jobs and Economic Transformation KJET program, which we are going to be launching with the World Bank very, very soon, so that we can also be able to pull together money, resources.
Twaenda kuhingura thoko he kindu gitagwo Africa Continental Free Trade Area. Nita kuga atiriri hakona ni mukataba urauga atiriri thiini wa Africa yothe indo no ci move ciume Kenya cithie nginya South Africa, cithie Zambia, cithie West Africa, cithie Egypt, kundu guothe Africa ciume thi yothe ciuke nginya na guku. Nita kuga for example uria wonaga iria na makorofia makiurira mugunda hagiko he no horo ucio wa free trade area ire roka kuhitukio Nairobi iri makorofia macio no kuoyo matoro DRC kuria andu ingi muno maenda makorofia kira kingi yothe gikoyo giatoro kuria kungi ni kuhingura thoko